As an advisor, you can invite your customer into a live video session from the AgriSync mobile app 3 different ways. You can invite them from an existing ticket that you have open with the customer. You can also invite them by clicking the plus button on the top corner of the mobile app to create a new ticket with any phone number, or by finding a contact in the contacts page to create a new ticket. When you click Start Video Call, we'll pull you into a waiting room while we send a text message to your customer. They can simply click on the text message link to join the video call in their mobile browser. They can simply click Join Call, accept microphone and camera permissions, and be joined within seconds. Once you've both joined the call, you'll see the customer's front-facing camera so that they can show you what's in front of them. They'll see your face in the top left corner. You are both seeing the same exact screen and both have access to flip your camera views. The best part about our live video feature is that your customer didn't have to download an app, and it works on any smartphone device. At the duration of the call, we'll ask your customer to leave you feedback, and we'll ask you to categorize your time.